Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to do a 9x9 unboxing. So this is a box. Oh, that looks really cool. Let's get this thing out of here. Dude, look how big this thing is, bro. Look how big this thing is. I'm gonna open it right now. Let's get this thing open. That. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is a 9x9. Feel this cube, bro. Feel it. This is so good. Oh my god, just look at this cube. It can break really easy, like that. But everything else, I mean, it's really... it's crunchy, you know? It's not that smooth, but it really turns good. It's so crunchy, dude. Like, feel this. Why I'm doing the super flip on it. Dude, this is gonna take forever to do the super flip. Come on, don't break. I do not want it to break. Because if it breaks, dude, I'm gonna cry, dude. Alright. Let's try another one. Kind of dirty there. That's one. That's two. That's three. That's four. Last one. One, two, three, and that's four. So look at this 3x3 super flip. Okay, let's do the inner layers. This is gonna be hard, dude. So we need to do in the inner layers like that. And two. It's one. Two. Wait, I'm gonna undo it because I don't want to scramble it that much. Dude, actually, this is gonna take forever. I mean, it's 9x9. Okay, I might do it in the next tutorial, but this is the 9x9 unboxing. So, bye.